Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince once again here. So friends, you would have heard from many good traders, that is from experts, those who are successful in trading. They keep saying that trading is a game of mind, trading is a game of controlling your emotions, etc. blah blah blah, etc. Right? But then how do we gain control of our mind? How do we gain control over our psychology? How is that we improve our mindset? How is that we work on this? That no one speaks. It is just like giving hawabazi kind of thing. But then in this video, let me try to explain to you a simple concept, I'm just touching on a very basic element, and then let me, in future videos, let me just try to explore more on this as well. So let me just touch a very simple technique in this video to work on your emotions, to work on your psychology. How can you control your emotions? Because I agree, most of you who start your trading, even me also, when I started my trading, I was doing discretionary trading. So what do you mean by discretionary trading? If at all I feel that the market is going up, I'll buy. If at all I feel it's going down, I'll sell. When I see big red candles, I go start selling. When I see green candles, this is what everyone do, accept it or not, right? But then, if at all you need to gain control over your emotions, the best solution and the only solution is going to be rule based trading, or you call it as systematic trading, or you call it as algo trading, or you call it as trade like a robot, anything. The solution for getting rid of your emotions to develop discipline is going to be rule based trading, right? So how do we do the rule based trading? What is that the thing, parameters you need to work upon doing rule based trading? That is what I will try to explain in this video, and in later videos I will try to explain to you more how to control over how to get control over your emotions, and also how to develop your psychology for trading, right? Okay, now coming back to rule based trading. So what is rule based trading? In rule based trading, you need to have a clear cut rules for entry, exit, for trailing your profits or booking your profits, and all those things. If at all you don't have any such strategies, you can go through my channel. There are many number of strategies which I have posted on my channel. You can just go through any of them, start with any strategy. It will have clear cut rules, right? And then once you find these strategies clear cut, okay, before that what you need to do is you need to do a thorough back test of these strategies. It will give you a lot and lot of confidence, friends, because many of them these days, what I'm seeing is it was just matter of 2 months 3 months losses in straddle, that's it. And most of them quit trading, believe me or not. Most of them start telling that straddle will not work anymore, but then in the month of June now, almost everyone are in good profits, those who continue trading in straddle. So we don't know when it is going to stop working, when it will give very good returns. We are not aware of all those things. Our duty is perform like a robot. Just day in and day out, just take your trades. So for that, thorough knowledge of your strategy, what is going to be the drawdown, what is the performance in the past, all these things you need to know. And there are many websites now. As of now, for doing my straddles, I used to always check with StockMark. And now for doing all the stocks and also for using many indicators, I found a new website. I'll just take you to the website and show you that as well. So I found this streak to be very useful. It's done by supported by Zerodha itself. You can just type for streak Zerodha in Google. You will get the link. You can see it, streak by Zerodha, or otherwise I'll put the link. You can just click on the link. It's available in the description of this video. So what you can do is you can create strategies, you can backtest strategies, and also you can deploy trading strategies. Yes, you can automate it as well. So how to automate? There have got some special plugins for that I will explain to you, might be in future videos if required. But as of now, let me just show you. You just have to use any of your links, you just have to connect it with any of your kite, or otherwise I think there is other websites as well, other brokers as well supported. You can see here, yeah, it supports even Angel One, 5paisa, Upstock, and ICICI. So any of these brokers you are having, you can log in and you might get the you can do your testing. For trial period, they are giving you some free back tests per day and all those things, so you can just go through. If you want the premium one, you can go for the premium versions as well. So let me just show you. This is a very good platform for doing all the back test. And if at all you come here, you can see your strategies. You can create any strategies. You don't need to know any coding languages, nothing of that sort. It's going to be very simple. Let me just show you one simple okay, just for showing you. Okay, so which instrument you want to do the testing? Okay, and you can do it on anything like stocks. Just click on that add and you can select any stocks in this list if you want. So in case, let's say you are going to test it on ITC or going to test it on Gale, anything, or if at all you want to test it on all the Nifty 50 stocks, that also you can do, or if you want to check it on Nifty index also, you can do. Anything of that sort is possible. As of now, if you want to add all the 50 stocks in Nifty 50, you can see here all the stocks have been added. Okay, you can see here ONGC, Bharati, Nestle, Hindalco, Grasim, Tata Steel. You can see almost all the stocks have been added, and you can test it on any number of stocks you want. Okay, that is the first step. Second step is like you want to do the buy or the sell. You can select whatever you want. You can select the candle time frame, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, however you want, quantity, how much you want to trade, and then entry condition. Friends, it's going to be very simple. You can add, it's just like drop down menu. Add on based on which indicator you want to take, or you want to put any math function, you want to buy or sell above this level, below this level, range breakout, all those things. By default, if at all you want to test anything, you can see here they already have default many strategies which they already have provided. You can see here comparative breakout based on super trend. Okay, so you can see many other already existing, many other based on trend following, price action, mean reversion, momentum. So you can test it out any of these indicators. Also you can see that there is scanners as well. Alright, so if at all you want to see if any stocks are bearish, any stocks are bullish, and based on the patterns, if you want to do any scanning, so there are many things you can explore this. It's going to be very much fun, and prices also is very nominal. In case if you feel you need any support for demo, you can just click on this request demo and they will call you as well. And the free version, the trial version also gives you good amount of testing. So you can use this platform. I'll try to give you very good strategies. I'm also working on very good strategies, very few strategies on which are giving very good results. So I want to test it for a longer period of time. So I will also do the back test and I'll try to share it with you. I'll also try to explain to you also how I'm doing the back test. All those things I'll try coming up with many more videos. You can just stay tuned with my channel. Okay, so for as of now, I would say this is the platform which I found very good for doing a back test. So along with StockMark, now I have also got even Streak as well. Streak is going to be for the advantage of Streak is that you can do it with all the indicators. Also you can do for all the stocks. So compared to StockMark, this is going to give us a very good hand. Yeah, so there are many things you can just explore it. You can see there are many technicals based on indicators you can take, based on the time frames you can trade, based on support and resistance you can take, based on technicals you can trade. Okay, so please go through this website, friends. It's going to be very useful, and it's, as you know, it's promoted by Zerodha, so it's going to be very reliable as well. So once you are thoroughly finished with your back test, you know that the strategy is going to give you so much of loss and all those things. Next thing which you need to do is your money management. Okay, so you know that over a period of time, this is going to be the average losses my strategy is facing. So accordingly, you have to prepare your capital in such a way that you don't lose within a few days of continuous losses. You need to have capital to maintain, to cross this continuous losses. So accordingly, you have to plan your money. This comes under money management. It's a very huge topic. That money management thing, if at all I have to say you, there are many books written on it as well. Okay, I'll try to teach you, try to make videos on that as well. Okay, so that comes, then automatically comes money management and risk management. You need to know how much you will lose in your particular trade. Accordingly, you have to take the quantity. It is not that just because I have capital, just because I have funds, I can keep on buying how much or quantities I want. That is a wrong approach. You need to find out how much you can lose in any particular trade, and accordingly you need to take your positions. So first identify your strategy, second thoroughly backtest your strategy, then do your money management. That is, you need to have prepare yourself that in case if you have continuous losses also, I will not lose my capital. That comes under risk management and money management. Once all these are done, then the most important thing is start trading with one lot. Friends, there is a very famous trader as well, I forgot his name. He had big funds, and in those days he used to trade with one lot for minimum 1 year continuously to gain his confidence. I'm not aware of his name, I forgot. I read it in some book. Okay, so you also don't think about returns initially. Start trading with one lot quantity based on all these parameters what I told you. Start trading on one lot quantity. It will give you a lot of confidence. You will see that in case after you make losses and all those things also, it will not hurt you emotionally. You will keep on trading, and you will keep trading, and even if there's loss also, you will keep trading, and this will automatically make you trade. It will not allow you to quit trading. It will give you a very good psychological boost as well. So try this experiment. Okay, trade with one lot after you set up all these steps which I told you. Very quickly you will come to understand that staying in the strategy for a long time is the secret, and just by trading day in and day out with the same strategy, you will come out successful in trading. Okay friends, so please start these two activities which I told you, and you can also you can become a very successful stock market rule based trader. This will really help you in controlling your emotions as well. Thank you and have a nice day.